This is the cylinder head video, and it's very time consuming. It down to about 20 minutes per valve, so looking at like 7 hours of just installing the valves. That doesn't even count for assembling the heads and putting the cams back and the rockers back. So I'll show you some snippets of what I'm doing. I was thinking about doing a time lapse, but no way. I mean, it's just too much for the video, and you need two hands for most of the stuff. So here's what I'm doing this weekend. Geez, this is hard to do with one hand. Get it there. And now the drill. Of course, there's a cat hair on it. I don't think I'm going to be able to video this part, but the little keeper goes in there. I'm using tweezers. There's no way I can film that. Sorry. Okay. Keepers are in. I don't know how well you can get you in there. Ooh. And now we just release the tension on the spring. And then it looks like that. Just 12 more to go. Fun. And by the way, there's a GoFundMe right now for Mike Dirks. He's the ballsack jaws of death. He has bone marrow cancer and he needs a transplant. So check that out on my page. It's it would, you know, really help them out a lot. They don't make a lot of money. They're in a punk band, so you know they don't have any money. Help them out. Donate.